Hi, today we are going to present our microcontroller task. And here's my team members Afisuddin, Anbarasu and myself Kadiresan. We have been tasked to write a program in micro C with this continuity. First, the motor will move forward in 5 seconds with full speed. Then the motor will turn right. The motor will move forward in 5 seconds with half speed. And then the motor will turn right again and the motor will move forward in 5 seconds with half speed. Lastly, the motor stops. So, here we are going to present our program in micro C. First, we done void main and then we set port B as output with 0 voltage and then we set port C as output with 0 voltage too. Move on to the next. We design to keep two motors where we define PWM for motor 1 which will rotate clockwise and it will design as right side motor. And then we define PWM for motor 2 which will rotate clockwise too and we design as left side motor. Using H-bridge concept, we define port B dot F0 equal to 1 and port B dot F1 equal to 0 for motor 1 which will rotate clockwise. And then for motor 2 we define port B dot F2 equal to 1 and port B dot F3 equal to 0. And then we set the speed for each motor. PWM1 we set 255 with full speed. Same goes to the PWM2 we set 255 with full speed for motor 2 which will long last for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, port B.F0 will become to 0 which includes the motor 1 will off for 2 seconds. This makes the robot to turn right. After 2 seconds, the port B.F0 back to 1 and port BF1 is remain 0. Port BF2 equal to 1 and port BF3 equal to 0. This can see as motor 2 still continue running. But this time, motor 1 and motor 2 will rotate clockwise with half speed which is 127 for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, port B.F0 will become 0 again for 2 seconds, which means motor 1 will stop and motor 2 still runs clockwise and makes the robot to turn right. After 2 seconds, port B.F0 back to 1 and port BF1 remains 0. Port BF2 equal to 1 and port BF3 equal to 0. And then the motor speed still remains same with half speed 127 for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the total port B will become 0 where motor 1 and motor 2 will stop. So we build the program and there is no error. Move on to the Proteus. We designed this Proteus and this is our PIC 16F877A and this is our motor controller L293D and this is motor 1 which we place for as a right side motor with 5 voltage and this is motor 2 with 5 voltage we place as left side motor. This one is right side motor and this one is left side motor. So we double click and we set the process clock frequency to 20 megahertz and we upload the program file here and then click OK. We run our program. As we can see, two motors will start rotating for 255 with maximum speed, and motor 1 shut down for 2 seconds and the robot will turn right. After turn right, the two motors rotate for half speed 127 for 5 seconds. As we can see, the motor 1 is stopped for 2 seconds, which will make the robot to turn right, as motor 2 still rotating. After 2 seconds, right side motor and left side motor still keep rotating with half speed for 5 seconds. And the two motors has been stopped. That's all. Thank you.